Okay, welcome to my tutorial on how to embed a YouTube video into your PowerPoint presentation if you have PowerPoint 2007 or later. Now, you can go to Insert. Real quick, I'm going to show you this. Insert video, online video, and it's going to come up with this little window. You can paste a YouTube URL into here. It's kind of a generic way of doing it, and it doesn't really allow you to have any modifications like sizing when it plays, that sort of thing. So I'm going to show you how to do that so that you can adjust those things. First of all, you'll need the developer button in your PowerPoint. If you don't have that, it's really easy to add. You just go over to File and go to Options and then click on the Customize ribbon. And on the left-hand side, you'll notice that there are a bunch of options to add. On the right-hand side, those are options that are already in mine. You'll notice that I already have the developer one there. Say I wanted to add something, I just highlight it, click Add, click OK, and it goes right in. So I've already done that with developer. There it is, right there. And then you'll also want to make sure that you have Notepad open because you're going to be doing some language adjustments there, and also your browser so that you can copy and paste the URL from YouTube. So going back to my slideshow, I've done it on MOOCs, which are massive online open courses. I've just created this little two-slide slideshow. There's my second slide. MOOCs are a great way to learn. Check out the video below for an introduction. I want to add that video right here. So I go to the Developer tab. I go to where it says Controls, and I have like a little wrench and screwdriver icon. I click on that, and I'm looking for, when this menu opens, Shockwave Flash Objects. All in alphabetical order, pretty easy. Just scroll down. Shockwave Flash Object right there. Just highlight it, click OK, and it's going to open up this little cursor with a hatch, crosshatch thing. You just grab it and drag it across, make a little window, just like any drawing program. Looks like a little envelope. You can put it wherever you want there. I'm just going to put it right in the middle, center it. And then what you'll need to do is open up the developer portion so that you can make these adjustments. So right click on the envelope, click on Property Sheet, and you'll see where I have it highlighted. It says Movie. Right next to that, I can add a little address or whatever I want there. And that's what I'm going to do. So first things first, I'm going to go over to the MOOC URL for YouTube. I'm going to copy that, so Control C. Then I'm going to open up my Notepad, open that up, paste it in there. I'm going to do this two different ways, so I'm going to do it again here. I'm going to show you two different ways to do this. So first I need to change the language here. This is not that complex, but you will need to do this in order for it to play in your PowerPoint. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove where it says watch and question mark. I'm just going to highlight that, delete that out, and where that equal sign is after the V, I'm going to take that out, and I'm going to put a little forward slash there. I'm going to do that to both of these. Take out the watch and the question mark, take out the equal sign, put a forward slash. Okay, so just for examples to show you, that is the original versus those two that I modified. Okay, so on this second one here, I am going to add an ampersand. Autoplay is the word I'm going to type there, an equal sign, and the number 1, just like that. So the first one is going to be embedded in the slide, and I will play it when I want to play it after I've done an explanation. The second one will be able to play right when you click on the slide. So we'll do the first one first. I'll just copy that, and then I'll paste it into the developer portion here next to Movie. And I don't have to click OK or Apply. I can just close that, and I'm going to save it. And then when I click on Slideshow, I want to see from current slide to make sure it worked. It should load, and there it is. Now, like normal, I can just click play there and play that YouTube video, no problem. Now, if I want to add the URL to the PowerPoint so that it plays automatically, I just copy that right out of my notepad, the one that I put in there that says autoplay, and I go back to my developer and I just paste that in there just like that. Again, I can just close that, save it, and then click on slideshow to preview it, and I'm going to go for current slide, and it should load right away. And that is how you embed a YouTube video into your PowerPoint presentation.